Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Command Prompt Now, press Windows, type CMD, then choose Run as administrator if you need system-wide changes. Once open, type color/ to display the palette and how codes map to colors. This tells you which hex-like digits to use. Make sure to note the current default so you can revert later. This first step gives you both permission and information. With it, you avoid guesswork and move straight into applying a color. Now apply the color codes. Type color followed by 2 hex digits where the first is background and the second is text. For example, color 0A sets a black background and light green text. That change is immediate. If you only supply 1 digit, Command Prompt treats it as the text color and leaves the background unchanged in some versions, so be explicit to avoid surprises. Once done, verify readability. If contrast is poor, pick a different pair and repeat quickly. To make the color stick, create a CMD shortcut, right-click Properties, pick Colors, or place the color command in your startup script like Auto Run in the registry for your user. Temporary changes revert when you close the window, so use a shortcut if you want persistence. If the color command doesn't work, check that you aren't using an alternative terminal host, inspect console properties, and make sure your display drivers are current. This usually fixes rendering or palette problems fast.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.